Hey everyone, if you want to move data automatically between apps without copying anything manually, Zapier makes it really easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer data with Zapier step by step. First, sign in to your Zapier account and click Create, then choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, select your trigger app. This is where your data starts. For example, Google Sheets, Gmail, or a form builder. Choose the trigger event and test it to pull sample data. Now choose your action app. This is where your data will be transferred to. It could be another spreadsheet, CRM, email tool, or any connected app. This is where the real transfer happens. Map the fields carefully, like name, email, phone number, or any custom data from your trigger step into the correct destination fields. After that, run a test to make sure the data is transferring correctly. Check the destination app to confirm the information appears exactly as expected. So if everything looks good, give your Zap a name and turn it on. From now on, data will transfer automatically whenever the trigger event happens. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to transfer data with Zapier. Now, you can automate data movement between apps and save a lot of manual work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.